Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another unboxing. It's been a while since we've sat here in the kitchen. Right, well, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I hope you are all well. Right, unboxing. Start off with a Shaverage, and it's faithful. It's my favourite cider, Scrumpy Jack, and it's 6% volume. I don't normally drink in the week, but I've earned this. God, we got the weather here, guys. Again, the heat. I'm looking forward to this. I know it's a bit of a late one over here in the UK, but I waited till I finished work. I haven't had the shave yet. Cheers guys, all the best. Oh, it's ice cold. 37 degrees C today on delivery. For those of you who don't know, I'm a postman for Royal Mail, have been for 20 years. I'm walking 11 mile and 37 degrees centigrade. It's tough going. Right. As you see in the last video, I did mention how I had bought some Stirling soaps off my favourite enabler, Joseph. How you doing, Joseph? And the lovely Lana. I hope you're both okay. Well, it came through the post. This is it. And if you're wondering what this is on the side, somebody forgot to put a bottle of Splash in the box after he'd sealed it up. Easy mistake, we're only human. Right, I took one, I got Draper to help me, as always. I took one look at this, Joseph, and I put a new blade in. Right, I'm just gonna separate this, which is wrapped in carpet underlay. What do Mexicans have under the carpets? Underlay. Right. Let's get a start on this. I've got to start somewhere on this. Joseph, I thought you were getting better in your wrapping, mate. This is ridiculous. I try and make these short videos, you know. So how you doing, guys? You okay? I hope you're all okay. And you've been having some fantastic shaves. As always, the most important thing. I don't even know where this starts, where it ends, what's sealed, what isn't. See, you've got underlay on the bottom. I've got the right knife. Laying carpets. Oh my God, it's double layered. What's Christmas like in your house? I hope Lana doesn't let you wrap any presents. I think Lana should wrap her own as well, Joseph. Well, it's protected. That's the main thing. I don't even know where to start on this. I think I have a seal. So glad I put a new blade in. Thanks for joining me. I'm sorry, Joseph. I might use that for the hallway. Oh, hey. Unbelievable. Get all these out. These are the splashes. Oh. Right, okay. Let's go with the first one. These are, Joseph he's narrowing down his collection and make some room in the den. And these are all Stirling soaps that I had on my list to get. Such a long list of gear to get. But I jumped at the chance, and if it helps him out as well with funds for other gear and make some room for the other gear, then I'm going to jump at it. Right, first one, sandpaper. I've wanted this for a while. I wanted all of them. This one is used. Oh, wow, what a scent. That's a warm scent. Almost cologne-like. Am I getting sandalwood in that? Getting a bit of musk. I think it's hard when it's been used. Mind you, my sense of smell today is, I think it's due to the heat. But that's the first one. Another one I've wanted. Intrepid Man. This one's brand new, not used. Oh wow. Another almost cologne-like scent. This reminds me of something. Oh, some really nice ingredients in there. Nice scent. Non-ingredients. I know there's good ingredients in it. Number 3 is Haverford. Oh. I think it's been used, but it looks like it's been used once. Oh wow. That's dark. That's dark and rich. I'm not going to go through any notes, or I'm going to save it for the shave. I'm almost getting like a cocoa. I don't think there's cocoa in this, but there's something sweet there as well. I know you're all shouting at me now. No, it's this, it's that. I'm just going off what's coming to me straight away. Pharaoh's Dreamsicle. This one's used. Oh, citrus. Citrus straight away. That's quite a refreshing scent. Orange. Definitely. Oh, no, it's not. Mandarin, which is an orange, but that's definitely mandarin. It's a distinctive smell of orange. That's what's coming to me straight away. There's something there in the background, but immediately it's orange. That's got to be nice in this kind of weather. So that's Pharaoh's Dreamsicle. Next one is Ben Franklin. Brand new, not used. Ooh, there's something spicy about that. Am I getting a bit of musk in that? It's definitely a bit of spice there. I love the label. Next one is Black Cherry. I love Black Cherry. This one's used. You get the cherry straight away, but it's almost... I'll tell you what this smells like. Mr. Kipling's Cherry Bakewell Tart. Without a doubt. Those of you in the UK especially will know what I'm on about. If you've had tasted or smelled. That's beautiful. Am I getting a bit of tobacco off that? That is beautiful. Another great scent for this weather. Really uplifting, refreshing. Last but not least, Ozark Mountain. And this is, I read that this is supposed to take all the scents and everything from the Ozark Mountains. Brand new, not used. Oh, wow. Outdoorsy, but fresh. Bit of pine, I think. It's a definite outdoorsy scent. Yeah, I'm sure there's a bit of pine there. There's a lot of pine there, actually. OMG. And you know what these are. These are the matching splashes. Which one's this one? This one is sandpaper. This one's been used by the looks of it. Not by much, as you can see. Oh, this reminds me of something. Is this a dupe? It definitely reminds me of something. I'm trying to think. That's a problem when you smell so many as well. Things tend to blend. You think one thing smells like something, it doesn't. It smells like another. Right, this is brand new. Was going to be, no it's not. Yes it is. Was going to be a short video. Intrepid Man. Oh, these are beautiful scents. Masculine. Both of them. Very masculine. So have you got anything new come through lately, guys? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you've got these and you've used them and what you think of them. I'm really interested in black cherry, in your opinion. I'm sure this is like a sweet tobacco. Yeah, it smells more like there's a bit of tobacco there. That is beautiful. I love cherries. Even black cherries. You can skip this if you want. Go to the end. It's probably already gone by now. Sorry guys, it was going to be a quick one. I'm sure you do this on purpose, Jay. Even the new blade's struggling. Haverford. Bit of a darker, almost looks like a whiskey or a bourbon, a brandy. Oh, that is so masculine. Warm. There's definitely spice in that. Bit of a woodsy spice, I think. We're nearly there now, guys. I'm getting thirsty. So much for the quick video. What time is it? I can hurry up. I've got to edit this, get it up, run it. Gotta have a shave, and you'll see that tomorrow morning. Ben Franklin. Oh, looks like urine, but it won't smell like urine. Oh, this is frankincense. I'm sure there's frankincense in that. You can smell it more than the splash than the soap. thought we were down to the last one. It's amazing how much strong, it's gonna happen anyway, how much stronger the scent smell and the splash, but the different scent notes are more prominent. I wouldn't expect anything else, but they smell. It's one of the last things you put on your face, and you get that. Oof, get that. Pharaoh's Dream Thakal. So I know which one that is. That you forgot to put in. Oh, that smells so much different than the soap. I didn't expect that. There's more tangerine in that, but that smells. There's something different about that. I'd be interested to see what that's like when it goes on the face and you can get that bit of air to it as it's drying. How that changes, if it changes. It's quite different. Ozark, it's got to be. You even know? Oh, you've done this because you've got to put it into for the protection. Well done. Fair dues, Jake. You take your time, and it's always protected. Everything you send me. Ozark, brand new, not been used. Oh, even cracking the seal on it then, I think. Oh, that's different again. Where's the soap? It's the pine, but it smells different. I'm thinking almost burnt wood, but I don't think there is burnt wood in it. Anyway, that's it, guys. 7 soaps and 7 matching splashes. Can't wait for all this. Now, I'm going to set myself a challenge. Next month is September. I'm going to do a Stirling September next month. And I did this once. I'm going to try and shave almost every day. Because I've been missing these soaps. I've got lots of Stirlings. But I want to use these as well. Even if it's just the month with just what I've just bought now, then so be it. I'm going to do a Stirling September. Obviously the blade brush and razor will be different, but I'm really looking forward to it. I love Stirling soaps. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. If you're still here, great. Thank you. And thank you to the new subscribers. I've had quite a few the last few days. Thanks for jumping on board, guys. I really appreciate you supporting the channel. It really does mean a lot to me. As all you guys with your comments and your thumbs up, keep them coming. It's absolutely fantastic. The channel's still growing. I never thought it would. So here's to you guys. Thanks a lot. I'm going to put these away. I'm going to finish my drink and I'm going for a shave. I'll see you in the morning. See you guys. Stay smooth and stay safe. Bye.